So 9 o'clock, and I am here. Okay, so just waiting for the people to hi, hello, hi, hello, how are you guys? So yeah, people are joining. Just sometime we'll start the session. um, Hello. Had your lunch? Sorry, dinner, everyone. Had your dinner? If you are able to see me, if you are able to, if my voice is clear, just put it in a comment. So let me see. Okay, okay, super. Hello. Hi, hi, hi. Looking nice. Thank you. Thank you, darlings. A lot of heart is coming. Thank you. So, how are you guys? This is Shubha here. As promised, I'm live here with you guys. Yes, we'll start it soon. We can hear. Thank you so much, darling, for confirming. Hello. So, how are you guys? Thank you so much. Yes, so just waiting for the people to join, then we'll start. Yeah, thank you so much. Hey, I'm good. Whew. So, first time I'm doing live session. Thank you so much for Insta family for 3,000 followers. I have a huge followers within just couple of months. Thank you for that. Hello to everyone. Hello. I'm doing great. You can see me. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. It was super fantastic. How was your day? Thank you. Hey. Thank you. Okay. So, today I am here in front of you guys to show you, to tell you, yes, you also can earn 1 lakh rupees sitting in home monthly. Yeah. Hey, to everyone, hi. Okay, lots of heart. Thank you so much for this. Thank you so much. Hey, thanks, AD, for joining. Yeah, thank you so much for the support, guys. So let's start. Before starting, something about myself. I'm Shubha from Bangalore, and yes, normally how everybody does the graduation. I did the graduation, and then after that, I started working as an HR and admin, and I have 8 years of experience in HR and admin. But how HR and admin, how it is related to the network marketing, that's the biggest question. Yeah. So life, it is life, right? Anything can happen in life. Yeah, lots of high waves here. And hearts, I'm really thankful for the hearts. It's coming up. Thank you so much. I never knew this. People love this much. Thanks for loving. I will answer you guys. Not to worry. I'll answer each one of you. Hey, hi Sneha ma'am. Yes. Yeah, so I started working as HR and admin, and life was going as normal as everybody's, how it used to. But one fine day, yeah, I call it as a fine day because that day has changed my life. I met with an accident. I could not go out and work. Yes, I was bedridden for 6 months, and that's how HR career has done full stop. I mean, that is where I have did full stop to my HR career. Hey Darshana, thank you so much for joining, guys. Thank you so much for the love. Hi Jaya. Yeah, life was going. I was bedridden for 6 months. And then what to do? Immediately, I can't go out and work. And 1.5 year, it went just like that. And I started thinking, thank you. Thanks for joining, Priyanka ma'am. Thank you so much. Then I started thinking what to do, because 1.5 year of gap, and coming out from the accident was a difficult thing. I could not go out, nothing. I was just idle in the house, and that's how I started thinking, okay, something I have to do from home, and that's how I started my brand. Yes, journey is a big journey, it is. I always wanted to do something, and I always wanted to be an entrepreneur. Yeah, that is like Booth. I can say that is like Booth. It was on my head, and I started my own brand. I invested lakhs together. I used to put a stall, I used to travel, this, that, handling the shipping, or searching for the designs, designing it, late nights. There's so many things were happening. And my son was also there. My son was a kid, I think, yes, he was 7 months or 8 months. Thank you, I love you too. And again, the question mark came in front of me, that whether I should continue this or not, because I have a small kid. I can't leave him alone and go out and work. So that's how I started searching for an opportunity where I can work from home. There's so many things I came across. I mean, there's so many things. Everybody knows. So many will search like work from home, data entry, or it may be something reselling. There are so many things come up, but nothing worked. Nothing attracted me until my cousin Rashmi told about this opportunity. I'm really thankful for her. She told me, and that was the day when my husband lost the job. Yeah, life is crazy, guys. You just need to smile and accept the things. There are so many ups and downs in my life also. People will say in Insta, ma'am, you're so inspiring, ma'am, you are doing so much, how we also want to become like you. There's so many things, but the fact is, even I have gone through so many sad things, or so many trouble. Yes, when my cousin told me about this opportunity, that was like, yes, I need to do. There was no other option. My husband lost his job, and there was no clue what to do, what exactly to do. There was no clue. I was like, everything is packed. What to do? So that's how I said yes to this opportunity, and it's the best thing, best decision I took in my life till now. So yes, that's how Oriflame came into my life. Just like you guys, I mean, I was not knowing what exactly this opportunity. Even I was thinking that it is the sales, that I have to sell the things. My mindset was that only. Okay, let me sell something. At least if I am getting 2,000, 3,000 rupees, that's more than enough. And going forward, if I am getting for at least 10 to 15,000 rupees, that's more than enough. So that's how my thinking was. But after joining, I came to know what exactly this opportunity it is. Thank you so much, Sneha ma'am, for giving me this wonderful guidance to grow this much. And I should mention New India Queens Kalyani ma'am, Archana ma'am, rising queens. Yes ma'am, I was about to tell you that Priyanka ma'am, my mentors, they taught me what exactly this opportunity is. Oh my god, yes, thank you darling, thank you so much. And they taught me exactly what opportunity you got. It is not 1,000 or 2,000 or 10,000 you can earn from here. They taught me that you can earn lakhs together here. And that's how the journey started. And yes, here also there were so many troubles. There are so many ups and downs. Agree. But dream was big. Dream was very big. And that's how the journey Yes, darling, why not? I will explain. It is not the job, it is your business. It is all about you. Yes, it is all about you. And I was never knew that I can build this much big army of the women, and such an inspiration. I mean, such a wonderful journey. It is 18 months and 19 month. I mean, 19 months is running now. That's how I started. I started with the Oriflame. I started exploring what exactly the things, and my mentors gave me so many things, and I learned from them, whether it may be Sneha ma'am, Archana ma'am, Kalyani ma'am, Priyanka ma'am. Each one of them taught me like crazy what exactly you have to do here. And that's how the lives changed. Within 3 months, I became a manager here. That is in the month of November 2019. February 2020, I became a senior manager here. My monthly income started within 6 months around 35,000 rupees. And in the month of July, I became a director here. And wow, in the month where people were losing their job, people were losing their hopes, like where to go, what to go, we were doubling up our income. And my income started 60,000 rupees monthly, 50,000 rupees of cash award. I have qualified for the free trips of Bangkok, Goa, Kolkata, Kochi. Oh my god. And then after that, what happened? And then after that, in the month of September, I became senior director and gold director. My monthly income became 80,000 rupees, 1,75,000 rupees of cash award, qualifying for Spain with the family and with the team. Wow, such an inspiration. I mean, such a wonderful journey it was. How it happened? Yes, there's so many people are asking what exactly the opportunity it is. We are happy to have you, dear. Please drop me the message. I will be there to guide you. Not to worry. I will be there to help you and explain you what exactly this opportunity. One thing I want to tell here that yes, life changes. Yes, you too can earn 1 lakh rupees per month. Right now, my monthly income is 1,46,000 rupees. Yes, what exactly you have to do? Nothing. Dream big. When you have that dream that yes, I have to do this, everything will fall in place. Ma'am, is it so easy that how you built 4,000 females? It is just the dream, yeah. I just started looking for the people who have the dream like me, and then I started polishing them. What exactly, Vinita, even I was having in a mind what exactly I have to do here, what whether I mean how everybody is earning this much. I saw the people, even I thought first that it must be not possible. That too, sitting in home in your comfort zone, you are earning this much. I thought, okay, no, I don't think so. It is not going to happen. But today I'm experiencing. All you need to do is just believe in yourself, dream big, join Nari Shakti, and that's it. You are set. You are set. And yes, now the dreams are even more bigger, even more stronger, because I know this opportunity can give me anything and everything. Yeah. So there are few new journeys. I mean, new people are there. There are 6 directors I have created, 25 senior managers we have created. It's not me, it is a teamwork, and we have created more than 150 managers in just 18 months. How this happened? It is just confidence. It started building me, the mentors what they started guiding, and the same way we carried forward. It may be Jaya, it may be Chaitra, it may be Amelia, Geeta. I have a strong woman empowerment, team now who are really working for their dreams, and yes, you also can do this. All you need to do, as simple as that, I already told, just drop me a message, inbox me, I will get back to you. What exactly? Yes, you can contact me personally, darling, not to worry. I will be there to help. And this is a craziness. Kushbu, sure, I'll tell you what exactly you have to do, and just inbox me right now. Yeah, I will put a message to you. Yes, it is an Nari Shakti. We built in just 18 months strong community where we are supporting each other, growing together, fulfilling our dreams together. You can call we are the mad people who are very much passionate about the dreams. Do we need to invest? Yes, confidence is the main basement. Yes, exactly, Jaya. Today, if I am not there, or if I am not there, main thing which attracted me in this business is, if I am not there, whatever I am earning, the whole income will go to my family. And this is a generation business, I can say, which you can pass it to the people. So it may be, again I'm telling you, you may be a part of Chaitra, you may be a part of Jaya, Srinidhi, Amelia, Geeta, whoever you are. You just need to be confident enough. You just need to be focused on the right things, then it will happen. So Oriflame, okay, tell me something about Oriflame. Somebody, I can contact you personally. Why not, dear? You can contact me. Just drop me a message. Can we do this part-time? Yes. Yes, here is my crazy queen Jaya. She's typing, you are my Dari Deepa. Dari Deepa in the sense, in Kannada we call it, you can say it as a pathfinder. Yeah. So happy to be part of your team. You can see the craziness, that kind of support you get here. So the question is, are we really focused? There are so many people who have bigger dreams. There are so many people who want to earn, who want to, you can work for only, yes, Khushbu, you can. So there are, yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much. So the question is, are we really committed towards our dreams? We have bigger dreams, right? Are we really committed to our dreams? Only the committed people will run, will chase, and they will do. Need your support from you, always. Always, I am there, not to worry. My leaders are there, my mentors are there to help you. Make money, look good, have fun. As simple as that. So Oriflame, so many are asking what is Oriflame. Okay, if you're not there, that's completely okay. That's completely okay if you don't know. Oriflame is a Sweden-based MNC. In India, it is there from past 25 years. Okay, it is a brand for basically beauty, wellness and skincare. There are more than 1,000 products are there. But our part is not about focusing on products. Our part is making you as an entrepreneur, making you as become as much strong as us. Because it's not only about the income, it's not only about the money, it's about you. It's about your dream. So any sales? No, not at all. It's about you and your dream. If you are little bit mad, you have the madness in your soul, then most welcome, because our team is full of mad. Like, we work like crazy. We fix each other crown and we don't quarrel. How to join your team? Pujita, right now inbox me. Yeah, right now inbox me. I am there to guide and help you. Not to worry. So many are asking me, ma'am, what exactly the work and how to do. Thank you so much for asking. Okay, why you have to, what exactly the work, right? So exactly the work, obviously I will explain, but not here. Yeah, I am here to show you guys. Yes, you also can earn 1 lakh rupees per month. Sitting in home, taking care of your kid, taking care of all your responsibility. Yes, you just have to be little bit crazy, little bit madness, little bit passionate, little bit your bigger dreams, whatever you have. Just a message away from you. Yes, Pujita, you just messaged me. I'm totally mad about it. Wanna achieve more bigger dreams. Yes, we in my team, if you ask me, I have the people who are working, who are 10th fail, who are 10th pass, who are architect, who are MBA graduate, who are lecturers, who are student. Each one of us are working towards a dream. So yes, thank you so much. Thank you. So, any other queries? Yes, so many asked how to contact me. Just drop me a message. Drop me a message, and you just message me or DM me. I will be there to happy to answer you guys. Pathfinder, thank you, sad darling. Chaitra Balaji, one of my strongest pillar of my team, who is crazy. Yeah, again. So that's all. That's how you wanna go London in. Yeah, all we said. We are yes, upcoming. Our gold conference is going to be in London, and there are so many people who are ready. Yes, we do have Corona warriors also. Yes, Priya Nayak. How can I forget? Yeah, she is such a sweetheart. Yes, I'll be set. Megha, inbox me. How to work, inbox me, darling. Queen Power with Jaya. Hello, ma'am. Hi. London. Yes, London to Makda. We'll dance it also. Yeah, so this is the little bit of madness you need. If you don't have, we will take it up. Not to worry at all. So this is the strongest community. Again, I am repeating. It's just not about the income of 1 lakh or 2 lakh or anything. It is about you. It is all about your dream. Yeah. Proud to be in your team, ma'am. Thank you, Geeta. I am proud that you are there in my team. Afifa, run. I'm ready, Ganga. Thank you, darling. Ma'am, I want to join. Right now, please inbox me. We are ready to go together. Yes, really want to achieve more with the team. Yes, that is a mindset we give you. I want to join. Vinita, right now inbox me, darling. DM me right now. I'll get back to you. Whew. So that's all for today live. I will be coming live again and again, and I will be making you guys to understand what kind of opportunity you got. See, in just 18 months, my life totally changed 360 degree. All thanks to New India Queens, rising queens who taught me, who actually take out what are the potential I have, which I was not knowing. They just show me that yes, you can do this, yes, you can do this, and that's how it started. And yes, very soon it will be, income will be, no doubt, every month it will be double. Not only me, my teammates also. And cash awards, yes, we will, because this year we have a double cash award. I mean 55% of the cash award, 105% cash award also increase. We have gold club. Please save this video. Sure, darling, why not? I'll save it. Yeah, and we do have gold club, double the cash award. We have growth bonanza. We have extra to earn 50,000 rupees apart from the income and whatnot. And most important, London, where we are traveling with the team, with the mad people, with the crazy women in my life. Thank you so much, each one of my Nari who supported. How can I forget my team? Yeah, who supported, who stood, who actually fought for each one of us, who became more stronger day by day, who actually, from them also I learned. Thank you so much for everyone. Love you all. We'll meet again. Okay, so take care, everyone. Bye bye. How to work, Shikha, please. Yeah, bonuses, Rashmi. How can I forget? I told how to work. Whoever want to know what exactly this opportunity, how to work, DM me right now. I will be happy to answer you guys. I will be happy to assist you guys. How to start this? Inbox me, darling. Inbox me. Thank you, Rashmi. Thank you so much, guys. How you started this, ma'am? I started like Rashmi. She is my cousin. She told me, and there was a necessity for me to start. There was nothing option was left. And if I would have not chosen this opportunity 18 months or 19 months back, I would have eaten more. I would have become a little bit fat, and the same old household work, the same old cooking, and that's it, right? But today transformed my life totally 360 degree. It may be a financially independent. It may be the way I live my life. However I want. It may be building a mentoring to more than 4,000 females. It may be traveling, cash awards. Not only that, how can I forget, fastest growing leader in Bangalore, number 1, and fastest growing leader in the South, place at number 2. How can I forget this? So created my own identity. This opportunity can give anything and everything to you. You just need to be, again, little bit mad, little bit craziness like us. So thank you so much, everyone. Lots of love to everyone. Good night. Take care. Bye-bye. See you soon. How to start? DM me right now, darling. Bye-bye.